How do scientific explanations debunk myths? Have you ever heard a story that seemed too wild to be true? Maybe it was about a mysterious creature lurking in the woods or a strange event that defied logic. These tales often grab our attention, but how do we know which ones are real and which are just myths? The answer lies in scientific explanations. Scientific explanations debunk myths by using careful observation and evidence to test claims. This process helps us figure out what is true and what is not. At the heart of science is the idea of falsifiability. This means that a scientific claim must be testable and able to be proven wrong. When evidence shows that a myth is incorrect, it challenges the myth and often leads to its rejection or revision. For example, scientists use models and hypotheses to explain how things work. Unlike myths, which often rely on stories or traditions, scientific models provide testable explanations. Take the particle model of matter. It helps us understand how atoms behave, even though it simplifies complex ideas. This approach allows scientists to predict outcomes and correct misunderstandings over time. Science also categorizes knowledge into different types. Hypotheses are tentative explanations, theories are well-supported ideas, and laws are general patterns observed in nature. Myths often mix these categories or treat unproven ideas as facts. Scientific explanations clarify these differences, showing that theories do not become laws but help explain what we observe. When scientists debunk myths, they follow a systematic approach. They collect data through observation or experiments to test claims. They use critical thinking to question assumptions and look for alternative explanations. Findings are published for peer review, which helps identify errors or biases. If evidence contradicts a myth, scientists revise or reject it. A good example is the myth that vaccines cause autism. This claim has been disproven through extensive studies and statistical analysis. Similarly, urban legends about alien visitations or secret societies are often tested against available evidence. Logical reasoning reveals inconsistencies, showing that these stories may not hold up under scrutiny. In the fascinating realms of urban legends, ancient myths, conspiracy theories, secret societies, and hidden history, scientific explanations provide tools to critically examine extraordinary claims. While these stories enrich our culture, science helps us separate metaphorical truths from literal facts. This does not take away from their cultural significance, but offers a clearer view of what can be supported by evidence. Scientific explanations debunk myths by demanding evidence and rigorously testing claims. This methodical approach contrasts with myths that rely on tradition or anecdote. By applying scientific reasoning, we gain a clearer understanding of reality, even in the captivating world of folklore and hidden histories.